Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Dubsado account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add your logo into your Dubsado account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add your logo into Dubsado anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is really important. And by adding your logo into Dubsado, it can appear in your invoices and emails. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Dubsado dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Dubsado, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to add your logo, up here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu, and you want to click here on branding. Once you click on branding, you're going to look for this section called upload logo, and you're going to click on this pencil icon. Okay, once you grab an image from your desktop, it's going to start uploading. Okay, and then it should refresh on its own. Once you've added your logo, be sure to click on the save button here on the top right. All right, quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see my logo is showing up here on the top right of my Dubsado dashboard as well. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload or add your logo into your Dubsado account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.